My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host, TKiccs, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, cool. So, 2 late pickups. They're gonna be separate videos. Shout out to first one. Shout out to Sheik. I don't think this shoe came to any other stores besides the Sneaker Rack and Chic. Oh, and Shoe Palace. I saw it in Shoe Palace too. I did not see it in any Champs or any Foot Lockers or anything like that. So, y'all gonna have to excuse all the noise in the background. They doing some construction in the background. But anyway, see the white box right here. I wish they would have did more of something special. I'm definitely gonna throw this box away. Just throw the shoes into one of my cases, but I really wish they would have did something more special for this box. But plain white box, gold Jumpman right there. Reads women's Air Jordan 3 retro white varsity red lucky green. Suggested retail price was, I want to say $210. Had the receipt right here. What's $199? Yeah, $199. I guess, yeah. That seems weird. That seems like a weird price, but we're just gonna say $200. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. All right. So actually, was looking forward to this shoe. This shoe dropped at a strange date too. I think it dropped on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. And it was a mid Jordan release day, but yeah, Wednesday. So, oh, boom. Okay, so without further ado, we got the, put that right there. Oh, I don't know what happened. There we go. We got the, what's out the way? The women's Air Jordan 3 Lucky Green. Boom. Okay. All right. So like I said, this is a women's exclusive. I get all the 3s and all the 4s. It's just something about 3s and 4s. Not a lot of hype around this shoe. I remember when they first talked about it a couple weeks ago. It was a little bit of hype, but not that much hype. So I got some information for y'all, like I always do, off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com, and it's going to be on the side of the screen also, because I be messing up my words so much. I want y'all to be able to see it. So it reads, the night of April 20th, 1986 has played an integral role in Jordan Brand's recent slate of offering, collecting the synonymous lucky green hue associated with MJ's 63-point performance against the Celtics atop both the Air Jordan 1 and 2 over the past few months, and after recently being teased via this past month's Sneakers Live. Official images of the Air Jordan 3 association with the bright green hue has since landed. One of the AJ3 set to release during the brand's summer schedule. The third installment in the Lucky Green series mirrors its recently released Air Jordan 2 and being tooled exclusively for the ladies. So they did come out with some Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens. I do have that too. That'll be right there too if you want to see the review for that. Contrasting the mud guards and heel counters, iconic elephant print, a majority of the upper tumble lever. Real Estate provides almost solely in crisp white, save the Sodom red accents attributed to the tongues, Jumpman, and tread underfoot, while the mainstay shade collects dominantly along the midsole. Lucky green hues additionally coat the eyelids and OG hang tags in the conclusion. All right, and like I said, the suggested retail price was $200, so it was $199. So $199. So, let me turn the make sure I stop that. Anyway, hope y'all like the new addition to the video I added, where y'all can read it on your own. But I'm just kidding, I get any worse. So, the Lucky Green, they came out with some Lucky Green 2s, which I said that I do have a review for that. I already placed a little bubble up there. But I also have a review for the Air Jordan 1 High Lucky Greens. That'll be right above right there too. So they've been doing Lucky Green a lot for that. So yeah. So we got the, like I said, got the hang tag right here and that Lucky Green right there. Tumble lever going all around the upper like that. Green eyelays right there. Boom. White laces. Red Jumpman on the tongue. I really wish this Jumpman on the back was red. I don't understand why it's gray. I mean, I guess to go with the elephant print right there, but I really wish this Jumpman was red. Red Jumpman on the inside, if you can see that right there. Boom. Elephant print going around the toe cap right there. Got this off-white sail type color going around the midsole. On the bottom, got a green part right there. Jordan in red right there. More gray going around and that off-whites around that. All in all, I mean, it's a good shoe. Nothing special. It's a 3. I can understand why the hype of this shoe is not that much. And it's a woman's shoe. But I mean, I like Air Jordan 3s. I'm a big fan of Air Jordan 3s. What's wrong, Classic?
What's wrong with woman?
Huh?
What, you say it's a woman's shoe?
Well, no, I'm saying like it's a women's. Nothing. I would say nothing wrong with it being a women's shoe. Like I got a lot of my shoes are women's shoes. I'm just saying nothing wrong with that. I mean,
okay.
Yeah, I wasn't
sure.
I wasn't making it seem like nothing wrong with women's shoes. Look, the women's get the best Jordan colors, in my opinion. They get the best Jordan colors. But I mean, I like it. I mean, it's a plain shoe. It's a Air Jordan 3. I like Air Jordan 3. I see a lot of consistency on the elephant print, unlike the Reimagined 3s that did come up. So, I mean, I like it. That's my dog. Probably y'all hear my new dog,
Hey,
Banker.
Ted's not your new dog.
Huh?
Wait, that's her new dog?
Yeah, that's Banker. That was Banker crying.
I know.
He just don't want to be up in here. But, I mean, he want to be in here with us. But anyway, Class, what you think about this? 1 to 10?
Okay. A 7.
A 7? Okay.
That was a green.
Huh?
That was a green.
You like the green?
Yes,
You like the Lucky Green?
I love it.
I'm gonna give it a 6.5. It's a white shoe. I'm not really a fan of this Lucky Green, to be quite honest with you. It's not a bad shoe at all, but it's not that much. I really wish that this was red just to match the tongue. But I mean, that's me nitpicking. It's just a Jordan 3. It's a white Jordan 3. It is what it is. It's whatever. So. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if this was a cop or drop for you. Like I said, it was a mid-week release, so I know they don't really got too much heat on it. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing TKiccs and the whole Toon squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.